Cakes, Gateaux and Cookies, a culinary journey. Welcome to a world where sweetness meets sophistication. A journey through the art and science of baking awaits you.
I am Chef Slav Shikov, a passionate chef with over 15 years of experience across Europe. From the rustic flavors of Bulgaria to the refined techniques of France, Italy and Austria, my journey has shaped this book.
Cakes, Gateaux and Cookies is more than just a cookbook. It is a collection of perfected recipes, blending tradition with innovation.
Every masterpiece starts with the perfect base. In this book, I share 12 essential dough recipes that guarantee success.
From classic European gâteaux to modern creations, each recipe tells a story and brings joy to your table. Baking is not just about following recipes. It's about creating memories, sharing love, and enjoying the process. Discover the art of fine baking with Cakes, Gateaux and Cookies. Let's embark on this sweet adventure together. Get your copy today and bring the magic of European patisserie into your kitchen.